This is a 1991 Nissan Figaro. It's a convertible with a top that pushes rearward along and it's guided by tracks in the roof. Rambo American had a similar arrangement in its early models in 1960 or so. Its car was made as a special project for Nissan by Ocoee Machine Industry in Japan. It's obviously for Japanese use with right-hand drive. It's a 2+2 design, leather seating. There's the 3-speed automatic and the console. And the console has cup holders. These convertibles are pretty neat because they allow the structural rigidity of the top to be maintained. And I'm assuming that the lower area there is for the spare tire. The top area is for the luggage. They only made a limited number of these, and the lottery was used to govern the distribution in Japan. It's a neat little car.